That looks sick, bruv. That looks sick. Bruv, that's both clean, innit? Gotta be careful with the tyres, though. Tyres, gotta be careful with the tyres, but they're wet. What's up, guys? We back. It's been such a long time since we've ridden this damn bike. Oh boy, with my boy there on the Triumph, can you guys believe that thing's got a 2.5 or 3 litre engine on a bike, which is just insane. And obviously got my beauty out, the Italian Stallion. We're quickly going to get the MOTs done, but we've got to take it easy because the tyres are wet. We just washed both the bikes, so we're going to take it easy. Are you serious? Woo! There has to definitely be water trapped in between both our pads, because I can feel it too, a little bit of mine, but that's definitely seems to be getting it a lot worse, so we're going to take it easy. Got to be safe. Well, that pop sounded good. How's it feeling? Yeah? Flipping hell. Almost said a bad word there. Yeah, while I was weaving I felt the tyre kick out of it, so we need to get some temp in these tyres. We need some grip. Alright guys, the MOT's done. Still got the bad boy Ducati Terminator bike. Where is it? Etsy and Tyler. Yeah, this is where we at. So, anyway, and I need new grips, guys. Look at this, yeah? What's up, bro? Is it alright? Yeah? I need new grips, guys. They're sliding everywhere. Every time I blip the throttle, it is just sliding, which is not fun. All good, yeah?
I think he's alright.
Yeah. Just take it easy. Yeah. Back on the roads with my terrible grips. That I'm gripping so tight. Bloody hell, it's annoying. Bloody hell, man, you made that thing shift. You made it work.
It's all up then.
There she is, yeah.
I thought they did. Okay, well, I thought they'd done everything.
It's that they've done both the fairings, isn't it? Yeah.
That was damaged.
Yeah, this one and there, aren't you saying? Oh, jeez. Afternoon, fellas. Oh. Man, the H2s look good, man. Even the SXs, they're nice. Yeah. So it's done. But they fitted it then.
Yeah, they've done everything then.
So it's mint again. Cool.
Yeah, so they've done everything.
Yeah. Yeah, they actually have. You guys know what time it is. We got the beautiful V4 and we got this gorgeous black to R1 and we're about to ride. So we're gonna go tyre shop. Bloody hell. So I need my exhaust. I need my exhaust. Wait till you guys hear that. It's got 2 brothers on it. It sounds nice. We like it. But when I get my exhaust, you're right, my SC or the Arrow, it's gonna be fun as well. Right, we'll leave you in sport. We were riding a bit hard on the way back with the H2, so take it easy. Damn, that thing sounds so good. And it spits flames. Guys, what do you think? Should I get an R1? I was trying to get an R1M. Should I still get one? Oh boy. I love having the loud exhaust.
months later.
I thought my riding has become rusty, bro.
It's been a minute. It's been a minute since you've ridden. You haven't ridden for a while, did it?
Yeah, but I gave it some today. My man, I nearly went to the roundabout, bro. I nearly went to the roundabout. It's a damn hill. Yeah? That's for my guy.
Is there a red light on there? Is there a red light? Nah. Whee! Remember, take it easy, yeah? Yeah. Come. Yeah.